Hello, students. Let's try to understand how do we multiply two numbers and how many strategies can we use. There are many strategies, but here we are going to concentrate only on a few of them. So the question is, there are three groups of four people. So what is the total? So like in one of my previous videos, I told you that 3 times 4 is also called that these are the two factors that we are going to multiply. 3 is one factor, 4 is the other factor. So let's go to the first strategy. Very simple. We'll start with the uh, repeated addition one. So your first factor is, let's say, 4. So now we are going to repeatedly add 4 how many times? Any guesses? Right, we are going to add the number 4 3 times. Why? Because this is our first. If we are taking 4, then the next number is 3. So how many times? 3 times. Once, twice, and thrice. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is going to give us 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So your answer is 12, right? Great. So now let's go and understand the next strategy, making equal groups. So for this, let's start making equal groups. First, let's decide how many groups are we going to make. We can make 3 groups. We can make 4 groups. The choice is yours. So let's take 3 groups. This is the first group. This is the second group. And this is our third group. Now in each group, we should put 4 people, because there are 3 groups. So the other factor is 4. So 1 person, 2 person, 3 people, 4 people. 1 person, 2 people, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now if you're going to count the number of people, it is going to give you 12. If it gives you something else, that means something is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here again, it is coming as 12. So that means you are going good. Okay, so this was the second strategy. Let's go to the third one. So third one says array. Oh, what is array? What is the meaning of array? So to know arrays, first, your prior knowledge should be, you should know what are rows and columns. In many times I've told you what are rows and columns, but I'm going to repeat here. So the two factors are 3 and 4. You can take 3 as the number of rows and 4 as the number of columns. It's your choice. So let's make 3 rows first. First row, second row, and third row. And how many columns will be? 4, because our second number is 4. Second row, second column, second column, second column. Third column, third column, third column. Fourth column, fourth column, and the fourth column. Now we have 4 columns and 3 rows. These are called arrays. And let's try to count how many circles are there, and then we'll get the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right. So again, 12 is the answer. Whichever strategy you use, that doesn't matter, but your answer will be the same. Let's go to block towers. What is the meaning of block tower? I'm sure with the name only, you can understand that there will be blocks. So let's start making blocks. I'm going to make 3 blocks because my first factor is 3. So let me make 3 blocks. Fine. Inside the blocks, now I'm going to make the partitions, compartmentalize. I'll just compartmentalize into how many? 4. Each block tower will be divided into 4 compartments. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again here 1, 2, 3. So there are 4 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to add all of them, and what number you're going to get? You are right. Again, you are going to get number 12. Great. So we are doing good. So now let's go to the next strategy, intersections. So this is a new one for all of us. So again, we are going to consider the 2 factors, 3 and 4. So we'll have to make 3 lines like this. Okay. So first line, second line, and the third line, because my first factor is 3. Now I'm going to make, these are the 3 vertical lines. Now I will have to make horizontal lines. How many horizontal lines should I make? Oh, right. So we are going to make 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, I should have made these a little bigger, but doesn't matter. It's fine. We can just make this a little bigger. So now we are going to count the places at which both these lines are meeting. That will be called intersection. So let's take a different color here. So here the vertical lines and horizontal lines are meeting. Here they are meeting. Here they are meeting. Here. Meeting places, meeting places. All these meeting places I'm going to highlight with red color so you can see properly. So let's count the meeting places. If it's 12, that means we are doing good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Absolutely right. We are again coming to the number 12. So let's go to see what other strategy teaches us. It is number lines. When we were small, we were doing number lines for addition and subtraction. Now let's use the same thing for multiplication. Is it possible? Let's try. 1, 2. Let's make the gradations. So we always start number line with 0. We can never start it with 1. So this is the most important thing. Rest everything is taken care of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't mind my handwriting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this can be 13. Very untidy though. Okay, so our first factor is 3, let's say, and our second factor is 4. So you can have the number of jumps as one factor and the number of spaces to jump as the other factor. So let's take another color now to make it more visible. So if I'm taking 3 jumps, so I will take the number of spaces to be jumped should be 4. Let's start with 0 to 4. First jump, Again till 8. Why? Because I'm jumping 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4. Till here I have to jump. So the number of spaces jumped each time is 4. And the number of jumps are 3. Right? So 3 times I jumped and I stopped at the number 12 again. So my answer is 12. So this was multiplication using number lines. Let's try to understand skip counting also, that we can skip the number and find the answer. So my first factor is 3. So I'm going to skip count 3. How many times? I'm sure you know now. 4 times. 3 times table, I should know. 3, 6, 9, 12. I skip counted 4 times, and at the end, what did I get? You are right. Number 4. So these are some of the strategies that I showed here. There can be many, many, many more strategies. Maybe you can use tally marks, you can use counters, you can use base 10 blocks. There are 100 more ways. So explore more, learn more, have more fun while doing maths. So let's practice this tomorrow in class.